So enterprise may fit special needs like inventory tracking better. So remember that the desktop version is basically being, in essence, removed for small to mid-sized businesses, which used to be their bread and butter. That used to be main people that use the desktop version. And so that's basically kind of going away now. But they still have the enterprise version. And what the enterprise version does quite well is advanced needs such as inventory tracking. So, and it might have construction companies also have, it's good for that. Although the online version has different functionality that works good there as well. So when you look at the enterprise version, you can think of it as, in essence, QuickBooks that's leveled up to a level of specialization that's going to be more customized to a particular industry, remembering that as bookkeepers, we really want to be thinking about, where do I want to specialize in? What am I doing? If I'm a bookkeeping business, am I specializing in trying to automate things as much as possible? Or do I have a particular industry, like I specialize in inventory or I specialize in a construction companies and so on? That will help us to design our systems to as best as possible. Otherwise, you might get kind of overwhelmed. So the enterprise version is going to specialize it. If you get really advanced, then you might have to level up out of QuickBooks. Why? Not because everything's going to be different in other accounting software, but because you have more specialized functionality within them. You can customize different things. So that's going to be the idea of the enterprise. So note that the QuickBooks Online, now you have the same question for the online, is going to be, do you think that QuickBooks Online is going to be able to level up their more advanced version, and then they're going to phase out QuickBooks Enterprise? They might be getting there with regards to construction companies and so on, because there's good functionality and projects there. But with the inventory needs, especially more advanced inventory needs, they might still be a little bit of a ways off. But again, that's more of a specialty kind of area. Our major focus here is going to be on the primary functionality. We will be dealing with inventory and with our QuickBooks Online, and we'll see that we could still track inventory with QuickBooks Online. But if you get into things like scanners and more advanced inventory needs, that's when you might need a more specialized software.